we've sprung a leak. I hope it's not raining tomorrow. I was going dumpster diving. Nope. Yeah. Lots of cans. Pizza boxes. General rubbish. Bugger. Well, they were a bit of a bust, but I did find that, which is better than nothing. And it looks like there's some good chips there. Alright, on to the next. That circuit board that I just found was at a telecommunications dumpster, which is locked. It's a damn shame, but I found that was underneath, sort of. Wasn't too far underneath because I'm too fat to get down that low. But yeah, so that is if that's an example of what they keep in their dumpster, I wish it was unlocked. Anyway, on to the next. There, we're back here. A few more bins around, so we'll check them out. Lots of colour on, lots of roofing. I can't grab that. Anyway, we'll keep looking. More roofing. There. These places are not up to the plumbing and electrical stage yet. Close, but not quite. Yeah, only finding scibble, scabble. Scibble, scabble, that's about it. And I've got some buckets, at least to separate some of my stuff, but there's not much about. It's sort of the same scenario as last time I come up here, but the buildings are finished, but those ones that are being framed and getting ready for electrical work are they're not advanced enough. Anyway, what have we got here? No, I don't think so. Anyway, yeah. Alright, we'll keep wandering, see what we can find. Have a look at these places, eh? They're all same little boxes. Like, yeah, I don't know, I couldn't live here. Look at them. There's not one distinguishing feature. I mean, if you come home pissed, you'd never find your bloody house because they all look the same. You want to have big numbers. Yeah, alright, I'll shut up. Here's an example of how strict they are on us in Australia. That bin didn't get emptied because it was too full. That's how strict they are. Yeah. Last one. This is the dumpster at the school, and we'll check those couple down there. But yeah, we'll have a look. Doesn't look like much more since I was last here. I've got all these. Look at all them. They won't fit in the car. Yeah, alright, we'll keep looking. I'll be having that. And I'll be having that. But there doesn't look to be much else. Alright, keep going. More skibble scabble. And I'm going to grab these. I think it's aluminium, I'm not quite sure. I'll check when I get home. That's colourblind. But these, I'm not sure. Might be aluminium, maybe not. Anyway, chuck them in my car. Bad find. Yeah, I can't fit it. So recap on what I found today. Some buckets, painter's buckets, to help me sort. I've got 4 there, and they fell over. All of this angle and magnet. Oh, it's aluminium. It's all aluminium. Well, that's good. Yep. So that's a bit of a good find there. Happy with that. And here's the scabble. So, oh, that's stainless. That's good. Bit of stainless. That's aluminium too. Very good. Yeah. I scored on the aluminium. Obviously, a big chunk of steel. Some more little bits of aluminium. And here you can see scabble. And that board, which I was rather happy to get. The cords and everything are from the other day. On that big chunker there. There's a couple of pound there. And there's also some more aluminium in here. So, that's pretty good, I think. Not the biggest of finds, but better than nothing. Well, people, not the biggest of finds, but every little bit helps. Yeah, I'm happy that the angle and whatever was aluminium. I thought it was steel or colourblind, but it wasn't. It's all aluminium. Gonna have to figure out how to get down there and grab that long stuff. I don't even have a hacksaw. So yeah, anyway, we'll figure something out. I'll grab it before they get rid of the bin. I think they're finished as far as construction goes. So yeah, all in all, not a bad little run. I'm happy with that. Keeps me occupied. Alright peoples, big fat bastard keg saying goodbye. Catch us later.